If you are using Android phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to remove permission from app and see how to remove permission for apps you do not use on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up settings. Next thing you want to do is to come to search right here. Go ahead and type in permission. Hit on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on app permissions. Then it's going to take you right here. You can review as many as possible apps from these sections right here. Let's say, for instance, there are some apps that you are not using and they are having access to your call logs. Open up your call logs and it takes you right here. You can review and see any one of the app right here that you don't want them to have access to your call log permission. Let's say, for instance, I want to remove Telegram from having access to my apps permissions right here. Click on Telegram, then click on Don't Allow. By the time you go back, Telegram will be removed from having access to your call log and they will take you to the section of Don't Allow. Go back to your permission manager right here and review as many as possible right here. Under the contacts, click on contacts. Then here you can review as many as possible apps that have access to your contact section. If you find out any app that you no longer use and they have access to your permission and they have access to your contact information right here, review the app, select on them and choose Don't Allow. It's that simple. So this is how to remove apps that you are no longer using from having access to your permission in your Android phone. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.